Hey, what is going on, YouTube? What is going on, fellow investors? It is good to be back. As you know, I've been moving, so I've kind of been off YouTube and not really on the Investing with Rod channel. However, your boy has been deep with research, with investing, with coming up with new investments, making some changes to the portfolio, and I can't wait to share those with you. But what I wanted to do in this video is I want to talk about a sleeper stock. People are, when it comes to technology and AI, people are talking about Google and Amazon and Microsoft and Apple and Nvidia, but they never seem to mention the OG, which is Oracle. People tend to forget about Oracle. And I remember when Oracle was like databases and kind of the old technology, and everybody seemed to be passing them by, whether it was Apple or Microsoft or companies like Cisco. Everybody was passing them by. But I'm here to tell you, you may want to take a closer look at Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL. Oscar Romeo Charlie Larry. ORCL is the ticker symbol. And I am not a financial advisor. I am only telling you what I'm purchasing or which crypto or stock or ETFs I'm watching. You need to make your own sound judgment, make your own sound decision after you do your research and decide if it's a good fit for you and your portfolio. And also, I do not invest any money for anyone. I'm only showing you what I'm doing via Robinhood and other apps. If I'm using crypto, I typically use Coinbase or maybe Fidelity or something like that. But today we will be using Robinhood. With all that being said, hey, welcome to Investing with Rod on this channel. We talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds, but more importantly, we talk to you about how to invest on a budget. You only have $1, $2, $5, $10 every 2 weeks, every month, every week. Your boy's going to show you how to make that money work for you via stocks, crypto, exchange traded funds, all three, maybe one, maybe two. It just depends on what works for you. With all that being said, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you select all so you don't miss out on future videos or live streams. Hit that like button, smash it, kiss it. I don't care. That is the thumbs up. Share the channel out. Tell somebody about it. Don't just share it out. Don't just send them a link. Let them know that we're doing big things over here with a small amount of money. With all of that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me go over here and share my screen. And I already got it pulled up. As you can see, Oracle is on the screen again. Ticker symbol is ORCL. And you'll hear me say Oracle because it's basically they just left out the A and the E on this. But it is currently trading at $233.96, down 0.47% today, or $1.10. Now, one thing, and I always preach this, don't get caught up in the price. With Robinhood, you can get fractional shares or a piece of the pie. You don't need the full $233.98. We can get a fraction. As you could see, I'm probably have about, $2.01 worth of buying power. So I can't invest no more than $2 unless I add more money, and I don't plan on doing that. But let's take a look and see what Oracle's been doing the last few, last week and last month. I don't do short-term trades, meaning I don't purchase today and then a month from now I'm going to sell it. I'm a buy and hold investor, meaning I'll buy now and I'll hold it for at least a year. But I do like to start at about 3 months just to get an idea. And man, I just announced yesterday or day before, any stock, any crypto, any exchange traded fund that is trading or showing a return on our investment over 20% is going to be part of the Dub Club. Dub is for 20. Or if it's over 25%, we're going to call it a quarter horse. In this case, Oracle is a quarter horse in the 3 months. It is up 47.63%. Now, I'm going to tell you straight up, as far as Rod's concerned, that Dub Club and that quarter horse is only going to take accountability when we get to 1 year and beyond. 3 months, I'm not going to sell it in 3 months. So yeah, that's cool to see that it's up 47.56%. Now going year to date, so that is January 1st until August the 20th, which is today, it is currently up 38.67%. It is still a quarter horse stock year to date, baby. And this is a word I made up. Don't go looking for quarter horse and think it's going to show 25% because I just made that up one day. With nothing else to do, man. I'm retired, so keep that in mind. And then in the last year, man, this is like two quarter horses going on three. It is up 68.27% in the last year, or $94. And this again, man, this is what they used to call old technology, Oracle. People don't even talk about Oracle no more, but they're deep in the AI space and the technology space. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, I have a little Oracle in my individual account and my Roth IRA. Now, in my individual account, I am going to do a couple videos on my Roth IRA because I want to tell y'all some things about it. But I currently have $49.89, which is pretty good because I only invest $1, maybe max $5. My average cost, I always talk about this, but before we get to this, I want y'all to keep that in mind. Average cost. What did I buy this for? And we're going to think of a business right now, buying and selling. We're buying products, which we're buying shares of Oracle, and we're going to sell the product later on for a profit. That is the goal. Today's return, I'm down 0.8%, but total return since I've had it. Y'all look at this here, man. Since I've had it, man, do I need to make that bigger? That 6 look like an 8. I'm just going to shoot for the smaller number. But hey, $49.87, but I'm made $19. I'm up 62%, 62.21. Just imagine. And this, I want to talk to y'all. This is why you don't want to have a lot of different stocks, because it's harder to focus on stocks like this that may be doing well, but they get lost in the sauce, man, because you got so many things going on. Now, over here, I do have 0.21 of a share, and it is 3.17% of my portfolio. And I'm telling you, that's getting ready to go up, meaning you have 100% of your portfolio, 3% is Oracle. I at least want this probably somewhere between, I'm going to say 7 and 10. I'm going to say 7. I'm not going to go, bananas just yet. Now, cost is $143.79. Price is $233 right there. Now, this cost is what I bought it for. That's my average cost. This is what I would sell it for. I don't have to really do none of the rest of this stuff. I could look here and say, okay, I'm selling at $233, but I bought it at $143. I'm making money. Add that up, and yeah, $90 a share. Keep in mind that's per share. Now, Oracle, what is it? It engages in the provision of products and services that address aspects of corporate information technology environments, including application and infrastructure technology that operates through the following business segments: cloud and license. I'm not going to read all that, hardware and services. And you do have, it is headquartered in Texas, founded in 1977. I told you this was OG, man. Now, it does pay a dividend, and I want to look it up real quick. If y'all don't mind, I just want to see what is paying in a dividend. I thought I already had this pulled up, but obviously I didn't. So we're going to look real quick here. And this is where knowing the symbols come into play and can help you out, because I'm able to look pretty quick. Dividends, it is currently paying an annual dividend of $2. So every quarter, this is paying 50 cents per share every quarter in dividends, man. Every quarter, 50 cents. You can't beat it, man. I'm telling you, Oracle, man, it's obviously it's beyond my radar. I'm making purchases of it. And speaking of making purchases, let's go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to go ahead and make us a purchase, and it's going to default to buy ORCL. Again, the ticker symbol for Oracle, ORCL, buy order. We're going to buy in dollars. We don't have enough to buy a share. Now, I can't click that and go to shares, but I only have $2, and it's $233, so I can only buy it in dollars. I'm going to show y'all so y'all believe It's real deal Holyfield over here. And I'm investing $1 and I'm going to get 0.00428. Now, what did I have over here? 0.21. My immediate goal is to get one share of this. I'm going to put that in my notes right after this here. I'm going to go ahead and review the order. It's going to give me a little disclaimer. I'm placing an order to buy approximately $1 of Oracle at $232.29. Go ahead and click buy. It's going to change here from 49 to about 50 bucks and 89 cents, maybe a little less. Click buy. There it is, $50.90. It changed. Now I have 0.218. So, man, I am really, and I'm going to put that in my notes. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and do it now while I'm sitting here because I will forget. I do want to get one share of Oracle in this account. Now, I do have it in other accounts, but I want to get one. Let me go ahead. And I am going to be starting my dividend series. I just wanted to make sure I had enough to even make it worth your while as a viewer to see that. I put it in my notes. And I'm going to go ahead and unshare my screen here. And it's just that easy, man. Bought more Oracle. But I can tell you right now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. You make sure you do your research before you invest any of your hard-earned money. I'm showing you guys what I am purchasing. And 68% return on investment in the last year. Please keep in mind, past performance is not an indicator of future performance. We never know. We don't have crystal balls. We don't know what the market's going to do. But there are two types of people in this world, those that are in the parade and those that watch it go by. And I can guarantee you 9 times out of 10, the people that are in the parade are the ones that's having fun. And the people that are in the parade are the investors. The people that's watching it go by are the people that's thinking about it. The people that's afraid to research. The people that don't know. The people that use the excuse that they don't know. With all that being said, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you select all so you don't miss out on future videos or live streams. Hit the like button. Hit that thumbs up. Share the video. Share the channel. Tell somebody you know a way that they can invest on a budget and start preparing today for tomorrow. With all that being said, I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. And until the next time, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars, I guarantee you. And until the next time, peace. Much love, y'all.